Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Ozzy here. Today we are going to be talking about Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital pays out dividends every single month, and it has a really good history of consistently paying out monthly dividends. So we're going to talk about this. The best part about this stock is that it pays it out monthly compared to every 3 months or 4 months or yearly. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what the company does, what the share price is, and what the dividend yield is, and what it has been every single month in the past. So without further ado, we're going to dive into this video really quick. But before I started, please subscribe to the channel. I do want to show you really quick that this company I've covered last year and talked about it on November 28th, 2020. I actually talked about it, before then as well. It was actually the second video that I made on this channel. So since then, obviously it's grown a lot. I've owned it for multiple years. I've sold out last year because I wasn't sure of how the dividend situation was gonna go with the whole pandemic and whatnot, and then I got back into it at a cheaper price, and since then it's been really taken off. So this is my dividend portfolio. Again, like I said, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on opportunities like this. All right, so Prospect Capital's ticker symbol is PSEC. And if you look at the price action graph really quick, it's trading at $8.16. So not only has the dividends been consistent every single month, but also the share price has been increasing as well. Since if you look at it in January, it was trading in the $5 range. Today it's trading over $8.16. Now, if we were to look at the 1 year growth, it's up 105%. When the pandemic first hit last year, it fell all the way down to the $4 range, which was obviously devastating for for the share price and investors, because we didn't really know what was going to happen, and there was a lot of bearish cases around this company as well. But like many other companies, it showed that it could recover. If you look at the 5-year chart, it was trading around $9.44 in 2017, and then it came back down. I mostly owned it in the $6 range. And then this is where the big dip happened in 2020, where you can see on April 30 was trading at $3.83. So it's been pretty crazy, but you can see how it recovered back up. So we're going to talk about this, but what Prospect Capital does is it is a BDC, and what BDC stands for is it's a business development company. And if you look at it right from their website, what that is a BDC is a closed-end investment company that focuses on investing in small-sized and medium-sized private companies rather than large public companies. So a BDC, if you guys would like, I could do a whole, I guess a video on what it is and if you should invest in it or not. But this company goes out and invests in other companies in a variety of ways. So they could, invest in it because the company is in trouble and they need money. So Prospect Capital will come in and lend them money, or they might just go out and just buy the company out directly, or they can just invest in a company that they like. So there is 50 publicly traded BDCs which pay no corporate income tax if, among other requirements, they distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to the shareholders. So they don't get to pay taxes if they distribute 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. This is why it's a big dividend monster, because obviously they pay out 90% of their income as dividend to people who hold the shares. Now, a lot of times when we talk about monthly dividend paying companies, the question is, are they paying dividends consistently? So what we'll do really quick is we'll actually go and talk about that. This is from 2017, so May of 2017 through July through July, through this year. And if you look at it, every single month they've paid their dividend consistently. So in 2017, they used to pay a little over 8 cents per share. That changed in August of 2017 to 6 cents a share. So August of 2017. And since then, they paid their 6 cents a share every single month up until today. So again, they paid out monthly. So if you make it before the X dividend date or the record date, you would be getting your dividends the following month whenever their payout is. So if we go ahead and look at their financials real quick, their market cap is a little over $3 billion. If you look at the volume, their average trading volume is 2.7 million. Their last trading volume was 1.8 million. Their share price target is $5.75. But again, when we talked about this company last year, that target was $4.50, and obviously they've proved that to be wrong as well. So their dividend yield is sitting at 8.82%. And again, that's yearly. When you look at these dividend yields, they're typically the percentage is yearly. But their payout ratio, their dividend payout ratio, is at 61% currently. If you're not familiar, a healthy dividend payout ratio is typically anywhere from 35 to 55%. Their current trailing is 61%. Their previous trailing is 195%. If we look at the fundamental analysis, it's the middle of the way when it comes to valuation. The quality, it's leaning towards low. The growth stability is high. Their financial health is it's in the healthy part of the bar over there. So technical analysis, short term and the midterm, it's weak, but when you look at the long term, it's pretty strong. And again, like I said, this pays out dividends every single month. And from experience, they've been on their dividend game consistently 4 years now, and that's what they do. They pay out dividends every single month. It's available on Robinhood as well. A lot of the companies that I talk about are typically on Fidelity and other major firms, but sometimes when I talk about OTC companies, they're not on Robinhood. This company is on like every single trading firm out there, or brokerage. So you would be good to go if you're interested in that. And when we look at the company, if we go into their portfolio, like what kind of companies that they actually invest in, there is a ton of different companies. If you look at this, the 8th Avenue Food and Provisions Incorporated, it's in the industry is in food. They have IT, insurance, healthcare. So their portfolio is very, very diversified. And obviously in the long term, Prospect Capital makes money from them. And then, whatever, 90% of their taxable income gets paid out to dividend holders, to shareholders, like myself. So it's pretty interesting. And like I said, they haven't really missed a dividend at all. They pay every single month. And I just wanted to make a quick video and share my thoughts on this. I haven't made a dividend company review on the channel in a while, so if you like this, definitely let me know in the comment section so I can continue to make videos. I have a couple other monthly dividend paying companies, so if you have any questions about those, you want to know what those are, or you want to know the benefits and the advantages and disadvantages of having dividend paying stocks, let me know. I can make a video on those as well. Definitely drop a line in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for the algorithm. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.